How's it going, everybody? Jeremy here with Accudraft, and in this video what we're going to be doing is showing you how to change your default settings on the smart pad. Now, of course, this is going to be in light of other changes that you're going to be making on the fly. You know, if it's hotter or colder day, we all know that you're going to be changing those temperatures. But these are going to be talking with your flash times, your bake temperatures, your normal spraying temperatures. All of those are going to be your baselines that we're going to set up, and they all have to be started while the booth is turned off. It cannot be running while you're setting the actual presets here on your default settings. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the top and just work your way through. Now, you're not going to be worried about setting any of these buttons here. Everything is going to be programmed using the original the first row of buttons right here. So of course, you can hit your spray cycle and you can go ahead and set whatever temperature you're wanting it to be at. A little colder outside and you're wanting to set just a normal startup temperature, set it at 80. You're going to press the spray button. You're going to adjust the temperature wherever you want, and then you're going to go back and clear it out, and that's going to lock it in. That's going to become your new default for every time that you start up the booth. It's going to warm up to about 80 degrees. Of course, summertime, it's still going to try to do that, and that's not going to happen. So you always want to try to keep it wherever you can. That's going to benefit you the best. Now here, this is going to be your purge temperature, as well as your pre-dry. So what you're going to do here, same thing. This is your first cycle, and then it's going to kick into your second. So as you can see, the temperature is the same. What we're going to do is you can adjust the temperature the same way. Same thing here. Whenever you have it situated at the time or the temperature that you're wanting it to be at, you're going to go back and you're going to hit that button and it's going to save it in there. So now let's say your bake temperature, same thing. You're going to set your bake temperature. Most clears are at 140 for 30 minutes or so. I've seen some production clears, some of those higher hyper clears, they're going to want around 150, 160, whatever temperature it is. Again, we'll just say 150 degrees. Press it, adjust it, hit that. It's going to lock it in. It's going to be basically what you're going to need. Here's the difference on this. Whenever you want to go through and adjust the time, of course, we all know sometimes you're going to change clears. Some clears are not going to have a 30 minutes. Sometimes you're going to have to use a faster clear because you're going to have to get something out, right? You need to change the temperature on it or the time on it. So they're going to be a little bit longer. Some might be a little bit shorter. So let's say during that bake cycle, you want to change the time on it. So you'll hit the bake cycle, and you'll come over here and you'll hit the time. You have a 24 minute set already in the preset. Say you need a bake cycle at that temperature for 10 minutes. You're going to do that, you're going to come back, you're going to hit your time, and you're good to go. That is now locked in. You're going to do the same thing for your pre-dry as well. Say if you need to adjust the time on that's set up on a 10 minute, you're going to go through, adjust whatever you need for that purge cycle, that pre-dry before it kicks into bake, and then come back and hit your time again. These are just all your default settings that you're going to be based off of. Get everything set up on the front, guys, to work with whatever materials it is that you're going to be working with. It's going to save you a lot of time and hassle later on, and then that way all you have to do is just go through and adjust your main temperature, on a hotter or colder day. So guys, hope these videos helped you out. Guys, be well, stay safe. We're going to catch you on the next video.